morning to all of you. Dear student, myself Mr. Bhausef Dabade, your geography teacher. Student, last online lecture we discussed about resources. Resources is a very important role for the development of our nation. Today we discuss about geography last chapter in our second term last chapter agriculture. Agriculture means खेती. Agriculture means science of the cultivation of land and development of our food and all the crop. It is called as agriculture. In our country, there are 70% people depend on agriculture. There are 4 types of occupation: primary occupation, secondary, tertiary, and the 4th number occupation. Agriculture is a primary occupation, and over all the India, there are 70% people depend on agriculture. Some people depend in direct agriculture and some people in direct agriculture, because the related of agriculture business, for example, the milk industry, poultry industry, okay, some important depend on the crude material, for example, sugarcane factory, cotton development factory. These are business related to the agriculture. So that's why the agriculture is most important for each and everything. Oxygen is very important, water is very important, same thing, food is very important, and all food grow in agriculture land. हमें जो खाने के लिए लगता है, सब्जी, वेजिटेबल्स, फूड, ये सब कहाँ मिलता है? एग्रीकल्चर में, फर्टाइल लैंड में अवेलेबल है. सो द एग्रीकल्चर इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन आवर बॉडी. हमें जिंदा रहने के लिए, हमारे बॉडी के लिए कैलोरी चाहिए, विटामिन चाहिए, ये सब कहाँ से मिलते हैं? ये फूड और मिल्क से. ये फूड और मिल्क एग्रीकल्चर पे डिपेंड है. सो लेट अस नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट. Farming is the main occupation of the people in India. About 70% people are engaged in agriculture. Crop and their types. Indian farmers grow a wide variety of both food and cash crop. The major food crop of our country are rice, wheat, maize and millet. Farmer means kisan. In Indian farmer depend on rainy season, मानसून पे डिपेंड है हमारे इंडिया की एग्रीकल्चर. बट टुडे देयर इज अ मॉडर्न टेक्निक, रिवर, कैनल, लेक, डैम. इट मीन्स दैट द इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी much more developed. So that's why the new modern machinery and modern irrigation systems are developed in India. So day by day agriculture is very developed. 1960, before the 1960, India's population is limited, but there is no food available in all people. 1916 के पहले हमारी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन भी कम थी, फिर भी लोगों को खाने के लिए नहीं मिलता था. इतना एग्रीकल्चर पुअर था, डेवलप नहीं था. बट आफ्टर द 1960 देयर इज अ ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन इन इंडिया. ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स हरित क्रांति. टुडे Indian population 150 crore, approximately population 150 crore. Every 10 year population count down. It is called as population census. Now in this year 2021 and 2022 there is a all India population countdown. मतलब population की जनगणना अभी ये साल होने वाली है. इससे पहले कब हुई थी? 2011 में. और 10 ईयर के बाद हमारी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन काउंट होती है. 2011 में मतलब 2011 में हमारी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन थी 125 करोड़. अभी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 150 करोड़ के आसपास होगी. इतनी पॉपुलेशन होने के बाद भी इंडिया के पूरे के पूरे लोगों को फूड और एग्रीकल्चर वेजिटेबल्स खाने के लिए अवेलेबल है. They all credit goes to the green revolution. What is meaning by green revolution? Development of agriculture, develop the food quantity, develop the food crops and cash crop. There are 2 types of crop. One is food crop. First point is food crop. And second number is cash crop. Food crop means wheat, rice, maize and millets. These are the food crops. जो क्रॉप हम डायरेक्ट खाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, राइस डायरेक्ट हम लोग खाते हैं. व्हीट मीन्स गेहूं, चपाती बनाने के लिए. मिलेट्स मीन्स दाल. ओके, मिलेट्स ये हम डायरेक्ट खाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. दीज क्रॉप्स आर द फूड क्रॉप्स. एंड कैश क्रॉप मीन्स farmer grows only market level crop. It is called as cash crop. For example, sugar cane, cotton, understood, rubber. These crops are called cash crop. And third number point, B average crop. B average crop means tea and coffee. These two crops are called B average crop. अंडरस्टूड एग्रीकल्चर. सब लोगों को एग्रीकल्चर मतलब क्या समझ में आ गया आप लोग? वी हैव टू एग्रीकल्चर सीजन. इंडियन एज फार एज कंसर्न इन ओनली इंडिया वी हैव टू एग्रीकल्चर सीजन. नंबर वन, द खरीफ सीजन. फर्स्ट नंबर पॉइंट एग्रीकल्चर सीजन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट खरीफ. फर्स्ट पॉइंट खरीफ सीजन. Kharif seasons. These began with the arrival of monsoon. The main Kharif crops are rice, millet, maize, cotton and jute. First point, Kharif season. Kharif season means Indian monsoon start in the month of June. 7th June, the North India, there is a north blowing winds come on the Indian subcontinent and these winds are rapidly rainfall in overall India. First, monsoon season start in Kerala. Suppose this is a outline map of southern part of India. ये हमारे इंडिया का साउथ वाला आउटलाइन मैप है. केरला is located here. Okay, Maharashtra is located here. And for all the 28 states, you already learned in 28 states. Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. India is a very vast country. There are three side water body. Here Arabian Sea, in the southern part of Indian Ocean, in the western side Bay of Bengal. There is a three water body located in the southern part of India. In the north, in the southern side, southwest, and the wind blowing in the western mountain regions and the monsoon start in the month of June. हमारे इंडिया में महाराष्ट्र में भी केरला से सबसे पहले बारिश की शुरुआत होती है. यहाँ से ओशन से जो भी कुछ विंड आती है, ये विंड यहाँ से बारिश की स्टार्टिंग होती है. जून मंथ में 7 जून को बारिश स्टार्ट होती है. फर्स्ट सीजन, द खरीफ सीजन मीन्स मानसून स्टार्ट and agriculture crop is starting. The crop is start in the month of June. It is called as the Kharif season. The Kharif season. The begins with the arrival of monsoon. जब भी मानसून की स्टार्टिंग होती है तो एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट शुरू हो जाती है. उस सीजन को बोला जाता है खरीफ सीजन. खरीफ सीजन इंपॉर्टेंट क्रॉप rice, millet, maize, cotton and jute. These crops are called the Kharif season crop. मतलब ये क्रॉप जून में उनकी स्टार्टिंग की जाती है. Understood? It is called as Kharif season. Second number, the Rabi season. Second point, the Rabi. The Rabi seasons. This begins when rains and the autumn beings. The Rabi crops are wheat, gram, mustard, sugarcane, barley and lime seeds. Rabi season means in winter season. the harvesting of crop in winter season, it is called as रबी सीजन. मतलब जो विंटर में ठंडी के मौसम में जो क्रॉप की शुरुआत होती है उनको बोला जाता है रबी. वीट, गेहूं, शुगर केन, मिलेट, these crops are the rabi crop. Understood? There are two season in India. Number one, the kharif season, and number two, the rabi season. समझ में आया? Food crop. We discussed the first crop part, types of crop. There are two important types of crop. Number one, food crop, and number two, cash crop. First, we discuss in food crops. First point, rice. It is the staple food of most of the Indians. Rice plant grow well in wet and soft soil. Rice is mainly produced in Bengal. Bengal means West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and the coastal plains. Now Punjab and Haryana are also producing rice in large quantity in the irrigated farmers. Rice. Rice is also called the staple food in India. Why? Because most of the people eat in every day rice. हमारे भारत में not only India but overall the world, rice and fish is the main and important food. भारत में सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा फूड खाते हैं फूड क्रॉप में से? तो राइस. इसीलिए राइस को बोला जाता है स्टेपल फूड ऑफ इंडिया. राइस इज द स्टेपल फूड ऑफ इंडिया. वेस्ट बंगाल इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ राइस इन इंडिया. हमारे इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन वेस्ट बंगाल में है. वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम, ओडिशा, मध्य प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु, and nowadays last 2-3 years Punjab and Haryana, these two states, most of the farmers develop in the big land rice cultivated crop. ये राइस क्रॉप अभी इंडिया में पूरे के पूरे इंडिया में कल्टीवेटेड हो रहा है. मतलब फार्मर्स लोग लेते हैं. महाराष्ट्र में भी यू विजिटेड इन द कोंकण रीजन, रत्नागिरी, रायगढ़, सिंधुदुर्ग डिस्ट्रिक्ट, दिस कोंकण रीजन, राइस इज अ वेरी फेमस क्रॉप. अंडरस्टूड? राइस क्रॉप के बारे में आप लोगों को समझ में आया? राइस इज अ स्टेपल फूड ऑफ इंडिया. वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम, ओडिशा, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, पंजाब, हरियाणा, आंध्र प्रदेश, these states are the most producer cultivated on the crop, rice crop. Understood? Second number food crop, wheat. Wheat means gehu. Wheat is the staple food of the people in northern and the northwestern India. It is a winter crop. It grows well in Punjab, Haryana, parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Wheat crop is also called the staple food of northern India and the western and northern part. साउथ इंडिया में राइस फेमस है एंड नॉर्थ इंडिया में व्हीट फेमस है. मतलब साउथ इंडिया में राइस फेमस है और नॉर्थ एंड वेस्टर्न इंडिया में गेहूं फेमस है. व्हीट, व्हीट मीन्स गेहूं. व्हीट क्रॉप इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द विंटर क्रॉप. ये ठंडी में ही आता है ज्यादा. पंजाब एंड हरियाणा, दीज टू स्टेट्स आर द लार्ज प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ क्रॉप इन व्हीट. व्हीट के लिए पंजाब एंड हरियाणा ये ज्यादा फेमस है पूरी इंडिया में. एंड मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, these states are the large production of wheat crop in India. Understood? So rice is the number one crop as far as concerned in India. Wheat is the second number food crop in India. wheat को भी ज्यादा नॉर्थ साइड में इम्पोर्टेंट से ज्यादा लोग वो अपने फूड में लेते हैं wheat को. Next, third number crop है millets. Millets means, what is meaning by millets? Dal, correct. Millets like jowar, bajra and ragi are the main crop in the peninsular India. These crops are grown in all the states having low rainfall and poor soil. Millets, jowar, bajra and maize, ragi, these food crop producer in the peninsular India means Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan. These states are very famous in jowar and bajri. this crop is also called the millet crop. These crops are the food crops. Food crop समझ में आ गए? सेकंड नंबर पॉइंट है कैश क्रॉप. Food crops and second number cash crops. Cash crop means the crop which are grown for sale. Our important cash crops are cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, tea, grams, pulses, vegetables and fruits. These are the cash crop. Cash crop means only for the market and business. Farmer grow on this crop and directly purchase on the market. मतलब मंडी में लेके जाते, सेल के लिए लेके जाते, पैसा कमाने के लिए ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. ये क्रॉप को बोला जाता है कैश क्रॉप. इंडियन कैश क्रॉप, फेमस कैश क्रॉप, शुगर केन, देन कॉटन, जूट, मिलेट्स, टोबैको. दीज आर द कैश क्रॉप. हम वन बाय वन देखेंगे, एक एक क्रॉप देखेंगे. फर्स्ट नंबर है pulses. Pulses such as gram, urad, moong, or masoor, etc. are produced in the almost every part of India. Pulses means dals. Pulses means dals. These crops is also called the cash crop. Grow in every parts of India. ये pulses crop पूरी इंडिया में, जम्मू कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक, गुजरात से लेकर अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक, और all the India pulses are very famous. Some parts are the gram is famous, some parts are urad is famous, some part of masoor is famous. For example, Rajasthan, states of Rajasthan, masoor dal, masoor pulses is very famous. Maharashtra, moong dal, moong pulses is very famous in Maharashtra. Some parts of India, each and every state grown on this pulses crop. Understood? Find out and write the names of these pulses and oil seeds. There are images, some important images in your social studies textbook. These images you calculate and you find out the which pulses name properly. मतलब ये यहाँ पे दिखाई दिए हुई इमेज में कौन से पल्सेस का नाम क्या है, ये आप लोगों को ढूंढना है. There is a fill in the blanks type. Yeah, write down the names of these pulses. Yes. Okay. Second number cash crop, oil seed. Oil seeds provides oil for cooking. They are groundnut, coconut, mustard, and linseed. Mustard is grown in wheat, the producing areas. Groundnut is mostly grown in South India, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Oil seed. Second number cash crop, ऑयल सीड. मतलब जो क्रॉप से हम ऑयल डेवलप करते हैं, ग्राउंड नट. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज मीनिंग बाय ग्राउंड नट? ग्राउंड नट को क्या बोला जाता है? हाँ, शेंगदाने. करेक्ट. ये हमारे लैंग्वेज में ग्राउंड नट क्रॉप इज वेरी फेमस एंड सोयाबीन क्रॉप इज वेरी फेमस फॉर द ऑयल सीड क्रॉप. डे बाय डे महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, these states are the very leading producer of oilseed crop. So cash crop is very important in all the kitchen based industry. Understood? ये oilseed नहीं है तो कुछ भी kitchen develop नहीं होगा. So that's why oilseed crop is very famous. Second, next cash crop, sugarcane. India is a leading producer of sugarcane in the world. It is used in the production of sugar and gur. It grows best in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Sugarcane means us, ganna. Correct. Sugarcane crop is an important cash crop in Maharashtra because most of the factories, sugarcane factories located in Maharashtra, Ahmednagar district, Satara district, Pune, Sangli, Kolhapur. These districts are very famous in sugarcane industry. Sugar is a raw material. These raw material transport from this industry and in these industries some important process and develop the gur and sugar. Gur means gul. Understood? So sugarcane is most important industry in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Dear student, today we discuss about agriculture chapter. There are some important two season in India. Number one, Kharif season. Number two, Rabi season. There are types of food, types of crop. There are two important types of crop. Number one, food crop, and number two, cash crop. Dear student, remaining part on the chapter we will discuss in next online lecture. Take care. Thank you.